ವ್ಯಕ್ತಪಡಿಸಿದೆ.
We had a press meet regarding the SSLC textbook issue. So the committee which was formed recently, and the chairperson is Rohit. So he was a person belonging to RSS background, and he is a person who is having RSS mentality, and he is not implementing according to him. He is implementing all those stuffs according to Nagpur committee, which they are implementing, which they are forcing him. He is just implementing all those RSS agendas. And here we condemn this, whatever the statement and whatever the step they are going to take, like adding an text on Hedgewar. And we condemn this because RSS is an organization who is spreading hate among all Indians, and it is an organization who is promoting rape and also disturbing a peace and harmony among all Indians. So this kind of organization, and RSS was not having any role in freedom struggle, and this kind of organization, and also a founder of this organization, does this upcoming generation require to read such about such a person? He was a writer and also a person who was insisting all Indians to step back from freedom struggle. So we condemn this, and in coming days, if government is with the same stand, Campus Front of India is going to stage aggressive protests all over the Karnataka, especially in Bangalore.